Want a pair of historical curlers that are not only incredibly easy to sleep in, but are even easier to make? Well, stay tuned and I will show you how to make these 1933 new style kid curlers. Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these 1930s no-sew curlers. These are based off a magazine ad from 1933 in the New Movie magazine. Yes, check my notes there. I've opted to make them out of craft foam instead of leather as the originals were made, partly for economical reasons, and I also try to avoid leather when possible. You could use leather, you could also use a felt. A felt might actually be a little better than the craft foam in terms of durability. Sometimes I find the craft foam, they are prone to breakage, so felt would solve that problem. But the benefit of the craft foam is that it's very smooth and you won't get as much frizz. Now these are great for long or short hair. They were originally advertised for short hair. I've used them to create this cute little faux bob here. One of the best things about these curlers is that they are so easy to sleep in. That's generally the main benefit. I have chronic health issues and I don't sleep well to begin with, so while I enjoy doing a full set of foam rollers or my other kid curlers, it's definitely a special occasion thing rather than everyday thing, but these I can sleep in no problem. They're very small, very soft and squishy, very comfortable. These are actually my everyday curler at the moment. I use almost nothing else for everyday hairstyling. They are fantastic. Begin by cutting the foam into 6-inch by 1-inch rectangles. Take each rectangle, punch a hole in one end, and carefully round the same end with a pair of scissors. Cut a slit down the middle of each curler, leaving about 1.5 to 2 inches uncut at either end. With the scissors, cut the other end into a tapered shape and add some indents just below the eye. We're trying to form a needle-like shape, but don't worry if your shaping isn't perfect. As long as it follows roughly the same form, the curler will work just fine and your curls won't look any different. Repeat this process for each curler. It took me about 10 minutes to craft enough curlers to be able to style my entire head of hair. Now, to use these curlers, begin by grabbing a section of hair. I'm spraying my hair with water first just to help the curls set, but whether you use water, setting lotion, or nothing at all is entirely up to you. Thread the section of hair between the curler and pull it down as close to the ends as possible. My ends are a little thin, so I stop about 1 inch or 2 from the bottom and then just wind the last bit around the curler, but it really is best to place the curler right at the end of your hair. Fold the curler in half, sandwiching the hair in the middle, then roll as you would any normal curler. When you get to the top, thread the pointed end through the loop and pull it tight to secure it. So, it was 2 AM when I was filming this, and my sleep-deprived brain decided at this point I look like a unicorn. I then proceeded to spend the next couple minutes prancing around. Okay then, moving on. Once all the hair is in rollers, spray well with water, cover with a scarf, and let set overnight. Low frizz, easy to make, and give lovely ringlets. What more could you ask for in a curler? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in some way. If you would like more historical curler recreations, let me know. I will see what I can do. And if you have any other suggestions, comments, etc., please leave them below in the comments. That's where you would leave such a thing. Anyway, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, I didn't really plan this out very well. We're good. Zoom out a bit. Ooh, too close. Too close! Still a little close. I try to avoid leather where possible, and I don't really want my hair smelling like leather. That's a personal thing. Anyway.